And welcome to this video. Just to let you know, me and my wife basically both work on Fiverr, so I'm creating the video for her. She told me that you would like sort of explanation on how to install ads, so I'm just gonna go through and explain to you how I do it. Right, first thing first, I'm logged into your WordPress blog. I basically do 3 ways of installing ads. One, I use a plugin, which I'm going to install it for you now, and I'll explain to you how to do that. The plugin name is called Ad Insert, so I'm going to install that to you, to your blog. Okay. Another way I use the appearance, then edit HTML. From there, basically, that's when I install ads. That's another way. Or you can use the widget area, which you just come to appearance, then you go to widget, then you can install it there. So I'm just going to activate the plugin. Plugin is being activated, so you can just click on update. So you want sort of to update to the recent one. Is done. Now all you're going to do is just go to the settings and go to add insert. Now while it does that, I'm just going to grab the code. I have installed already this code which you have provided. However, I'm just going to reinstall it again to somewhere not in the main page, because this theme is designed that way, that basically to show ads at the top, or you can show them below the post as well. Okay, so now all you gotta do is just paste the code in here, and then it says do you want to ads to show up on a post or homepage, search, whatever. So what you do is select the homepage, and then you can choose, right now are disabled, you can choose before post, before content, paragraph. It means in the halfway of the content somewhere, or after paragraph. Then you can choose how much. Example, if I choose after paragraph, I have to use how much I want. Like if you click here, it explains to you paragraph, number of commas separated. Well, I don't want to go and read through everything, but you can see yourself what it says basically, because if you put 02, it means paragraph at 20% of the content, and if you use a 0.5, it means paragraph halfway down to the page. That's what you can do. Now you can choose homepage, categories, tags, search, and then static pages as well. And you can just leave a post in a post. So ads you would like to show up in all these pages except the post. So that's what you do, and then you choose the paragraph. In this case, I'm just going to use 0.5, just like that. And all you got to do is just click on Save All Changes. And then once you do that, you can go to number 2 and install some other spots basically within your theme. So then we reload. It depends on the theme. Sometimes that's how you're gonna see your ads. So if I go to number 1 again, and then I choose anything but, well, I choose post to show the ads on posts. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the after paragraph, and then okay, I'm gonna choose in 5, save all changes. Okay, now let's just reload, and I'm just gonna click on any post, and as you can see yourself, the ads basically start showing. Since you have a banner ad, I included one right hand side, and I'm gonna remove this one. I just want to show you that how to install anyway. Okay, or you can go and I'm gonna add 0.9 here just to make these changes to see if it goes down. Once it saves, I'm gonna reload again. Normally it should have gone, the ads should show somewhere in halfway down. Okay, I'll do after content. just reload. So the after content, now the ads are showing basically below the posts. You can do that. Another way you can use the widget area. There's not a lot you can use there, except that's the right hand side, because since theme has the right widget area, then basically that's when you can install. Or you can go to editor, and then you can use header. So just find header.php, is this one here, theme header.php. Okay, now proceed. It's very important to know exactly where to install. Now heading means right at the top. So if you install the ads, let's say here, okay, the ads will show somewhere up here in a header, maybe even before the menu. Okay, but you can test them if you want to yourself. And then you start the body. Body means below the menu, basically. That's when the body of the theme it is. So you can scroll down, and then just after the head example, you can install it here. Or if you want way below that, and scroll down, that's the navigation. So you can install it here. Okay, so all you gotta do is just paste the code. Example, you go to your code, come up here, and then just paste, and then update file. That's all you need to do, and basically it's gonna show in header. Another way, now I'm not gonna save that. Another way you can do is main index.php. What this means is that if you install ads on header, then it's going to show in every post page, static page, whatever you have. However, if you use a main page.php, main index.php, then it's going to install only in the main page, nowhere else, not in a post, not anywhere else, just in the main page. And you can use the single.php or single post.php, which is this one here, to show in every single post. So every post out there is going to show up in every single post. And then again, you can use a header, or you can click Ctrl+F and just click on head or header, and then it will come up. So then all you can do is just install there, or you can install there. You got a couple of options. Click on update file and then refresh it or reload. Then you're gonna see basically changes into your website. I hope this helps. Let me know if you still not sure or you don't understand something, and I'll try to do at least to install them myself. I went through basically the message was sent here and your orders. I saw two codes. One it was from AdSense, and another one which you have provided, this one here, and that's when I installed. If you want to install more than one, I strongly suggest you use the plugin. The best way to install is the plugin itself, which is this one, add insert. You can try to install a couple of ads. Just go number 2, paste the code here. Then I want the ad to show in the center. Basically, instead of showing on the left hand side or right hand side, it depends. You can choose however you want to. I choose center. And then before content, paragraph after paragraph, before expert, and so on. Basically, all this is just tells you where the ads should appear. And then in the end, just click on save all changes, and all is done. So you need to choose which one you want basically, and then click on save all changes, and then it will start showing up. So if you don't want those ads to show up, just empty that and then click on save changes, and that is done. And then I can empty that as well, or just click on disable. That's all you need, and save all changes, and the ads will stop showing basically. So I'll go again, disable changes, save all changes, and then ads, as you can see, goes in a sort of black to show up that no ads are installed at the moment. So this plugin, it works great. I mean, it's easy to use. Just follow this video basically. You can install ads if you want in the future as well. I'm marking the job as done. Yes, I think I've completed what exactly needs to, and I provide this video just to show you because you requested or you asked basically if I could show you how to install that. So I'm doing that in a video instead of just type in something because it's hard sometimes to explain everything. But in a video, within well, basically a minute or something, you can explain a lot of things then which will help basically understand how to install that. Thanks for watching this video.